Okay guys, this is FEC, I don't know the ID yet, but it'll be in the title. Well, it almost hit this trolley right here. And he just went into emergency. And what I wasn't expecting is he's on the 3rd track, and that's really not really common at all. I never seen a train on that track before, and he almost hit this trolley. That was a close call. Thank God he didn't get hit.